Hey folks, Al Manick, the Hot Rod Hippie here. We're underneath the shadow of the cooling towers outside of Pottstown, Pennsylvania at Bux Customs, the auto upholstery shop that's a little more than an auto upholstery shop. So let's go ahead and check out the shop.
Hi, I'm Chris McClintock from Bux Customs. We're in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. We basically design, fabricate, and upholster high-end hot rod interiors. We basically fabricate. We don't do much repair work in here. The car comes in as a bare shell, no panels, no nothing. We basically start with a bare seat frame, and everything is pretty much built from the ground up. Tailor fitted for for the car, for the owner, for the design of the vehicle, and go from there. Okay, so we got two machines set up basically at all time. One machine is pretty much my everyday, the general workhorse, putting the patterns together. And we got the second machine set up that's strictly top stitch right there. So all the contrast stitching that you see, pretty stuff, fancy stuff, that machine is ready for that. So it's definitely a time saver having two tools, one job. Over here we have a leather skiver. That's for basically just thinning down the thickness of the leather for smaller seams, just making the product that much nicer for dashboards, flat seams, etc. So here's a trunk. Here's a 59 Corvette. It's mini tubbed. We basically made fiberglass molds of each wheel well tub, built the panels, panel bonded, putty, smoothed everything in. You can see what I meant by like the different layers. This is all routed, gapped, made for the trim as well. All the different layers on here, they all go together by magnets. That panel pops off. It's all magnetic as well. Easy access. The customer wants to get in, maintenance, anything, you can get it no problem. Just nice, tight, clean lines is my general design. Lines kind of dictate everything. Don't like swoops and swirls, your typical hot rod style interior. We don't go for that. There has to be a purpose for everything. So we have obviously the bandsaw. It's pretty industrial style bandsaw. We certainly use it for wood and other materials. We also tend to use that for cutting the basic shapes out of the foam. So every seat will start off as like a base frame of some sort, and then it's pretty much like just a stack design, and then it's dialed in with a angle grinder or good old hand sanding from there on. We got welders, pretty versatile. Not your normal thing you think of when you hear upholstery shop. I don't even consider us that. We're two fabricators, and I can sew pretty good. That's kind of how I describe it to everybody. So it's a collaboration of a lot of things, and not much upholstery. I mean, that's the end of it. Two machines over there, two sewing machines. Okay, so this is a new toy. for the shop. Once again, not something you're going to typically see in your quote-unquote upholstery shop. This is a laser. Pretty much it's not to make things operate any faster, it's just to make the product that much nicer and just a little more next level upgrade. You can make your own perforations, cut them out, you can have your patterns cut out that way. It can cut acrylics and wood, all your materials as far as that goes. The accuracy on this machine's pretty insane. You can do let's just say, parts you can make like a defroster vents or even like AC vents. You can make speaker grills. You can make, it's kind of endless as to what you can do. And on top of that, there's a million other artsy-fartsy, Etsy style stuff that you can make with this. So everybody's going to be getting Christmas decorations next year from that machine.
All right, so thanks to Chris for having us here, taking a look at the shop. Go ahead and drop the video a like if you liked it, if you found it informative, you got to see a little different side of the custom automotive world. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this? Do you want to see more videos like this? Do you maybe not see this side of the custom auto world that much? You can go ahead and check out Bux Customs. They are on Instagram, Facebook, they have their own website. I'll link that all in the description below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.